Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm in the house with the Spyderco Gayle Bradley 2 here with me for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this fella, because it's very interesting. You have 3.inch long cutting edge and you have a 4.75-inch long handle to make it up for like 8.5-inch long knife. Here you get the let's say the fake not fake carbon fiber, but the laminated cheap carbon fiber. This is not like regular carbon fiber, like for example this guy. Maybe up close you can see that we have some differences in price, of course, but also in quality, feel, and everything. You get some stainless steel liners skeletonized on the inside in this pretty cool blade shape, CPM M4 steel in the Taichung factory in Taiwan. You get the Gayle Bradley logo right over there in this pretty interesting knife. I mean, the overall look is great. You get some nice lines here. The feel is pretty good in the hand. Nice hollow grind, M4 steel. You get, okay, like Spyderco classic pocket clip, but you do get this. I mean, I'm kind of speechless because there's no lock bar access. Basically, I mean, I have to just jam my finger in that space and get the blade closed. I mean, I'm usually using my finger nail on the left hand to just access that, disengage and just close it. So that's probably my most my biggest nitpick on this knife, because it's rock solid, feels great in the hand. It has a very cool deployment action, but I'm struggling to disengage the lock bar. And let's quickly check the weight on this guy, because it's well contained. I mean, not too shabby. Stainless steel skeletonized liners are going to contribute to 4.56 ounces. Makes sense. Belly stock, check it out. I mean, it's a solid knife. It's very robust. Nice jimping, nice blade shape, cool hollow grind. But this, no. This is a no, because the action is good and that needs some Dremel action. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you want to know more, please check out my full length review. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.